In the quiet heart of northern Europe, surrounded by ancient trees and winding pathways, stands a remarkable red brick mansion, a building whose walls have witnessed centuries of history. Its stepped gables rise proudly toward the sky, each brick telling a story of craftsmanship, ambition, and the passage of time. This is not merely a house. It is a survivor, a silent guardian of old European traditions. The origins of this manor trace back to the late Middle Ages, when the region was bustling with trade, guilds, and powerful merchant families. Built with the signature red bricks of the North German Renaissance style, this structure was designed to impress. The stepped gables, the decorative arches, the narrow tower rising at one side, all of them were symbols of wealth and influence. When it was first constructed, the building served a dual purpose. It was both a residence and a fortress. Merchants who lived here stored their wealth inside thick walls that could withstand fire and attack. Windows were small and positioned strategically, allowing inhabitants to watch approaching visitors from a safe vantage point. At night, lanterns lit the pathways outside, casting long shadows over the moat and garden. As centuries passed, the mansion evolved. In the 16th and 17th centuries, it became a center of local administration. Noble families hosted gatherings here, lavish feasts where music echoed through its decorated halls. The carved stones above the windows were added during this period, marking family crests and significant dates. If you look closely, you can still see them today, silent reminders of people long gone. In the 18th century, the world around the mansion changed. Wars reshaped borders, new technologies emerged, and the once busy trade routes quieted. Yet the building remained. It survived fires, political upheaval, and even periods when it stood nearly abandoned. Villagers tell stories of wandering through the overgrown gardens, imagining ghosts of nobles peering out from the upper windows. But the mansion would rise again. In the late 19th century, preservationists recognized its architectural value. Skilled artisans restored its towers and brickwork, carefully matching the original patterns. The steep tiled roof, one of its most iconic features, was rebuilt using traditional methods. With each restoration, the mansion gained new life, welcoming scholars, tourists, and history lovers from around the world. Today, as you stand before it, you feel the blend of old and new. You can almost hear the echo of horse-drawn carriages arriving at the gate, the laughter from banquets held in its great hall, and the quiet footsteps of caretakers who continue to preserve its memory. The mansion's story is not simply about architecture. It is a story of endurance. A story of how human hands shaped something beautiful, and how future generations honored that creation. Its red bricks glow warmly in the sunlight, as if holding centuries of heat from the lives lived within its walls. Across Europe, buildings like this form an unbroken thread to the past, reminders of artistry, resilience, and the communities that shaped this continent. And standing before this particular manor, you cannot help but feel connected to history itself. Because this place is more than a structure. It is a chapter in the story of Europe. Still standing, still watching, and still whispering its secrets to those who take the time to listen.